Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you my favorite vanilla cake recipe. It promises a moist, fluffy and flavorful cake. It's so delicious you wouldn't want to make it any other way. If you're here for the first time, you're highly welcome. Kindly subscribe and turn on the notification. And if you've been here before, thank you for stopping by. I really appreciate it. So let's get started. I first started by creaming 1 cup of butter with 1 cup of sugar till the sugar dissolves and the mixture becomes airy and fluffy. Then I added the eggs one at a time, whisking after each addition till all the eggs are exhausted. This cake is actually made with the help of my cousins Aitoni Gabriel, who is behind the camera, and Brunette's Glam House, whose hands you'll see at some point in the video, to satisfy our cake cravings. I proceeded to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 teaspoon of condensed milk extract. I added 2 teaspoons of baking powder to my 2 cups of flour and sifted it into the wet ingredients. Then I added half cup of milk and mixed everything together. Then I proceeded to pour the cake batter into my already greased loaf pans. I topped it off with some raisins and proceeded to bake in a preheated pot for 35 to 40 minutes at medium heat. The cake is done when a toothpick inserted comes out clean. I lost that part of the video. Can you see how yummy it looks? Thank you guys for watching. Bye!